What's your name?
Mitali.
Hi, Mitali. Do you know
Hi.
what is this?
No.
Do like, share, subscribe. Happiness with Hema.
Beautiful nature, guys. Can you beat it? It's amazing. I just sometimes feel like to kiss nature. Kiss nature. How can we hug nature? So this is how we can hug nature. Okay? You can try and introduce this kind of a stuff to your family. Now some interesting facts about this fruit. If you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Welcome to Happiness with Hema. Welcome to my space, Happiness with Hema. Subscribe, like and share. Presenting yet another interesting vlog for you. This rare fruit shocked everyone. Let's discover what fruit is this. Hidden health secret. So this fruit look very unusual, smell very strong, but don't be fooled. This rare fruit is a powerhouse of healing. I discovered this during my morning walk. Stay tuned till the end to know all about this. That's again another plant and I just saw this dropping. This is fully ripe. It's really tasting like a vomiting. So I'll just let it be there for animals and ants to eat, but this is fully ripe. Then I can see another one. It also has a strong smell.
Yesterday.
I did ask you and you were aware? What is this? Noni. Okay. So, what's your name, uncle? What's your name?
Alan Chin.
Alan Chin.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know this. See, Andy? He doesn't know. But never mind. This is noni fruit. Noni fruit, and it is very medicinal. It used in medicinal purpose. We use it for the juice. We use it to eat raw also. And it is very good for immunity. It boosts your immunity, diabetes, and it is also anti-aging.
Anti-aging.
Yeah. So you were not you were not aware of this?
No.
You never had this? It's a medicinal fruit. Okay.
This one, wait, can I have this?
Yeah. You want to have it?
Can I eat this?
You can eat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to
Let's
try?
eat. No.
You can have it. You can have one. Okay. Because I want to ask questions. So while going, I'll give it to you. Okay.
Okay.
While going, and you can eat this. When it is little that, you can cut and you can eat it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. What? And do you watch a YouTube channel?
Huh?
Do you watch YouTube?
YouTube, no.
You don't watch. So I'll be featuring you in my YouTube channel. Okay. Alan Cheng, uncle. So now I got to know. Uncle was not aware of it.
Let's watch your video.
Happiness with Hema.
Happiness with
With Hema.
Emma spelled
Hema.
Okay.
Okay, please watch that. I'll be posting it maybe 2 days after.
What is that actually program that you are talking about?
It's a YouTube, YouTube channel. I have a channel, so there I make health related videos, making people aware of that exotic fruits and wellness tips, some exercises and all sustainable. You know how you can be sustainable, because I've seen this fruit, uncle. It's you go walk that side, it is lot of fruits just lying down.
This one?
These one,
Yeah.
lot of fruits lying down.
Okay.
No one is eating, but it is for birds and all that, right? But it is very medicinal. They are getting it waste. If people are aware, they can.
It's a herb purpose.
Yes, medicinal purpose. They use it for the medicines also. They make it a powder and sell it in a capsules, in a powder form. Yeah. Okay. So now you know it's a noni fruit.
Noni food.
Noni fruit. Okay. Noni. And
You can see some of the food drop.
yeah. You walk there, and the leaves also. The leaves. This tree's leaves also you eat. Yeah, it's eatable. Okay. While going, I'll give it to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Say it again. Noni. And can you hold this? Okay. Tell me what is the uses of, what is the good benefits of this fruit? Are you aware of this fruit? So you want to be part of? You want to learn what is it? You know how we use this? But you know the name. How you know the name?
No, I know. We got Myanmar.
Myanmar. Okay. So in Myanmar you get it in the markets?
Maga.
In a market or in a trees? In a farms? Okay. Are you aware what is this? Okay, so noni, actually this is very good for the immunity. This fruit is very good for immunity. It is also called as a vomit fruit because it has a very strong fragrance. Come here. Very strong, pungent fragrance. You know, when you see, it has a very strong, pungent flavor. So that's why maybe people don't eat it. But this is very good for immunity. It also, helps with anti-aging, inflammations. You know, people have inflammation. Sports people, when they exercise, they have a lot of swelling. This is very good with that. It cures that. It also boosts your immunity. Okay, so now you know that. Now you also know that. High five for that. So what is the name of the fruit?
Something that boosts your immunity.
No, what is the name? I just told you. Noni. She knows it. What's the name? Louder? Noni fruit. Okay. It is also called Indian mulberry. So you go research. Do you have a phone?
Not now.
Okay. So you go home, research Indian mulberry or noni fruit, and you will get all the information. Okay. So you guys watch my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. I'm going to show this fruit in detail, and you will be also featured in my video. You will be also there. Okay. You will be also giving me high five. Smile, please. What's your name?
Granger.
Granger. Okay. So I'll spell your name also. Master Granger. Okay. So you don't mind if I feature you in my video?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So Granger, look out for Happiness with Hema. Okay.
Like, subscribe, and share Happiness with Hema.
Thank you, Granger. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. So I think Granger is going to tell you today because I have informed a little bit and he's going to research on it because it's a medicinal fruit. It is called noni fruit. Okay. What's your name?
Wait.
Wei. W-A.
W-E-I.
W-E-I. Okay. So Mr. Wei, you will be also featured. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
Granger, it's your duty to educate your father about this fruit. Okay. It's a medicinal fruit. Very. It boosts your immunity. Okay. And I've seen it growing all over here, just lying down for the birds and all that. But you can always pick and try juice. Noni fruit. Okay. Okay. Good day.
You too.
So you promise you're going to use this? You're going to eat it?
The cut.
Cut and eat. Yeah. Okay. And yeah. And do let me know how you find it. Okay. Tomorrow I'll come for a walk, or maybe when you come regularly here.
Yeah, quite often.
Okay. And you're taking that sun.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see. Beautiful sun. Because sun is very
Good
important.
for your body.
Yes, it is very good vitamin D because when we are shortage of vitamin D, then other nutrients, it doesn't absorb in our body. So very good. So you promise you will eat this,
Yeah.
and when you go to that route, you will find many dropping.
I just pick up.
Yes, and then you can use it.
Yeah.
And also educate people who don't know about this.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you
It has a
very
lot of health benefits. Okay.
Thank you.
Good day, uncle.
Thank you. Thank you.
I thought you would know about this. Okay, so it's grown here around your area. You can always try. You can make it a smoothie, juice, and have it. Noni fruit. Okay? What's your name? Arana. Arana, you're from where? Bangladesh. Oh, good. Okay, you will be featured in my channel. What's your name?
Donovan, yeah.
It was quite noisy during my conversation with Donovan. It seems he was out for a walk with his mother, and I had a great chat with both of them about this unique fruit. They didn't recognize noni fruit. I introduced the name to them. They were not aware. I was mighty happy to see boy was so interested to know this, and he started researching about it there and then. So I shared how noni fruit is packed with healing benefits, great for immunity, digestion, and overall wellness. I encourage them to explore and make rare medicinal fruits a part of their daily lifestyle. Will be featured in my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema.
Okay, sure.
You're comfortable with that?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Do like, share, subscribe, Happiness with Hema.
So what's your good name?
My name Raymond.
Raymond.
What about you?
I'm Hema.
Hema.
I'm
Nice to
Hema.
meet you.
Yeah. But do you know what is the name?
Yeah, only for cancer.
Yes.
But not
Yes.
effective.
Very effective. There was quite a disturbance at the backdrop, so I'm making my voiceover describing my conversation with Uncle Raymond, who already knew about noni fruit. He mentioned he even recommended it to a friend battling cancer. He mentioned its many seeds make it hard to eat, and I explained that's why it is sold in powdered and capsule form for easy consumption. But these remedies only work when we use them consistently, not as a last minute cure. Because of its strong, almost vomit like smell when fully ripe, it's rarely found in stores. Still, this fruit is packed with medicinal benefits and can help prevent many lifestyle diseases if made a part of daily life. I'm very glad that you know about it, but trust me, these things be effective only if you are having it when you are young, when you're all right. When you're having 100% like 4th grade cancer and when you're trying it, it won't work. Anything will not work. Even doctors don't work, right? That's.
Where you get from?
I get it from down. Like so many are grown and it's lying down. You will be featured in my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. Okay, you are okay with that?
Okay.
Okay. Do you watch YouTube channel?
Again?
YouTube channel? Do
I
you
don't
watch?
have. I don't have.
You don't have. So anyway, you will be featured in my channel, and I'll be very happy that you know about it. And your friend have used, but he might have used it when he was last stage, right?
Okay. Yeah.
He might have used that time, right?
Third or fourth stage, I think. Third stage.
Third or fourth stage, yeah. So when you use it, like right now, I don't have any disease, okay? And I use such things, such medicinal things. My body will never catch cancer. You know, that's the way. But it's not like I have a 3rd stage cancer, 4th stage cancer, and then I start
Too late.
eating.
Yeah,
It's
too late.
Yeah. Even doctors, they say it's too late, right? Then they try to do chemotherapy and all that stuff, and your body parts just go.
That's like because they're trying to plant.
Lovely meeting you, Uncle.
Nice,
Okay,
nice.
have a lovely day. Okay, what is this?
I don't know.
What is you saying?
Don't know.
You don't know? Yeah. This is noni fruit. Uncle, what is this?
Yeah, this I eat many already. This one is the
What is the name?
Noni fruit.
Noni fruit. Give me high
yeah,
five.
right. Yeah, right. Last time, the one have two one.
Okay. So
The
do
plant
we, do we have it here?
two like that higher.
Okay.
Sometimes he long. Yes, I cut.
Okay.
I cut.
So Mr. Tan works in a condo. He's a gardener. Very friendly man and have lot of knowledge about
Yes,
about plant and he is aware of this.
Lonely.
So,
This one is a lonely.
so Uncle Tan, you know what is the benefits?
Yes, American make the juice or the bottle one very expensive, you know.
Yes, it's a medicinal. It's a medicinal.
Yeah. Because in Singapore we must have the sunlight too hot like that. This one is no very good one. Because this one is and other country got
Yes,
they
yes,
want
yes.
just like come out just like you
Yes.
come out this one. Wow, very good.
Yes.
The vitamin is the first.
Yes, it's very filled with vitamin C.
Yeah.
And very good for immunity.
And this one, if you now you make the juice and drink, it's a good smell. Just like if you
Right.
shop,
Uh-huh.
just very best smell.
Bad
No,
smell,
yeah, understand?
So Uncle is saying, Uncle Tan is saying if you have it fresh from the tree, it doesn't have a bad smell.
Yeah.
But if you get it from the market, it is ripe one, it has a very bad smell, like vomit. That's why it is called vomit fruit. Okay, thank you, Uncle Tan.
Where
You are going to be in my video, okay?
You go and buy one
No, I got it from ground. Jungle, I go to jungle, right?
Oh,
I got it ground.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
My name?
Mitali.
Hi Mitali, do you know
Hi.
what is this?
No.
So Mitali, stay tuned to know everything about this fruit in detail. You're a nutritionist, so it will be very beneficial for you and for your clients.
Yeah, sure.
Okay? This has a lot of health benefits.
Okay.
And it is called noni fruit. You can
yeah.
go and research. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Chal, see you. This is beautiful Lisa. I catch her in my morning walk and she is aware of this fruit, which is very good. Can you hold this? And Lisa, can you tell me about this fruit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Indonesia, huh?
Yeah.
Mengkudu sangat baik untuk kesehatan, untuk cancer.
No, tell me in English.
Oh, this very good for immunity, but your body also. Then this also, some people also eat for rojak also can eat like this also can fresh also can. The leaf also can eat. My
We can eat the leaf also.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
I boil first like this, but a bit bitter. But this very good for healthy.
Health,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. And in
Very
Indonesia, you are from Indonesia, right?
Yes.
What you call it?
The mengkudu.
Mangkudu. And in English, we call it noni fruit.
Okay.
Noni fruit. Okay?
Okay.
Very good, Lisa. You are very well aware of it, and that's why I see your health is good. Hmm?
Okay, thank
High
you.
five. So, watch my channel Happiness with Hema. You will be featured there. Okay?
Like, subscribe, and share this happiness with him. Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
So beautiful. Banana trees, flowers. So pretty. And my favorite, hibiscus. And this is lemongrass, one of my favorite drink. Wow, I just love variety of hibiscus. You know, that was different, and this is also different. And then this one. Do you know what this fruit is?
Yes, I know. This is the mangkudu fruit.
Okay, can you hold this and can you tell me about it? What you know about it?
This one can.
Very good for health, right?
Yeah, for the cancer.
Oh, wow, yes. I have also immunity. It builds your.
Sorry, my English not well.
Very nice. What's your name?
Steven.
Steven, thank you so much. And you'll be featured in my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. Okay?
Oh, okay. Later I will watch it.
Happiness with Hema. Like, you have never noticed what fruit is this? You might have seen in a many, like, you know, just wildly it is called makudu in Indonesia. So very good for immunity. So now you know this. Okay?
Where do you get it?
You will get it anywhere. Like, it's grown so many places, you know. So I was researching about it and I wanted to ask many people about do they know about it, this or not.
Can I have the name again?
So noni fruits, they are aware of it, right? You had noni juice?
Yes, just that I do not know that it's looked like that.
Okay, but you had noni juice. You have heard about it. Glad I'm that. Okay, see you. Do you know about this fruit?
This one is called noni.
Oh, wow. Hold this and give me high five.
High five.
Yeah, you know about this fruit. So what do you know about this? This is called noni. It's absolutely
I think
correct.
it's something like nutrition food.
Very
It's
nutritious.
good for people with diabetes.
Diabetes also and antioxidant, yes.
Yeah.
And what else? It kills cancer cells.
That's what I heard of.
Yes, even I have heard it.
But
Very good.
This is white color, not green.
When it is raw, it is green color. Then it ripe and becomes like this.
Yeah.
So
This one you can find it somewhere near the fence.
yes, you can find anywhere. In my condo, it's like just there.
Yeah, even the fence also you see.
What's
But
your
no
name?
fruit yet.
What's your name?
Sorry, Madam Yong.
Madam Yo.
Yong.
Y-O-O.
N-G.
N
Y-O-N-G.
Y-O-N-G.
Thank you.
Madam Yong, you are very educated, well informed. Congratulations to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm Madam Hema. So you will be featured in my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. Okay?
Happiness with
Hema. H-E-M-A. Hema. Okay? Happiness with Hema.
Emma.
Okay?
Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Name?
My name is Yumuka.
Yumika. Yumika, you are from Myanmar.
Yeah, ma.
So you know about this fruit?
Yes.
What is the name of this fruit? Noni. They call it noni here.
Yeah.
In your place, what they call it?
This one I know Myanmar never. I know.
Do you consume?
Yes, I know.
So how you consume? How you eat?
I
Juice
Yes.
or raw like that
Yeah,
also?
yeah.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good that you know about
Yes,
it.
bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, auntie. Can I know? Do you know about this fruit?
I don't know really. Noni. I don't know.
She knows. Can you hold this?
You know this one?
Yes, this is noni fruit. And do you know what is the benefit? What is the health benefit of this fruit?
Can eat this one.
You can eat, yes.
I think can for diabetes.
Yes, good for diabetes. Very good. So make sure you are giving to kids, okay? Telling them to like introducing, because this
Yes, you must
You make juice. This kills the cancer cells. It's very good for health. Okay? Bye, kiddies. Bye-bye. So cute. Very good. What's your name?
Emily.
Huh?
Emily.
Emily, you are very well informed. Congratulations to you. And I'll be featuring you in my YouTube channel, okay? Happiness with Hema. Okay?
I likes and subscribes Happiness with Hema.
Okay. So you'll be there, watch it, okay? So I walked, I asked, I explored. Curious to see how many people recognize this powerful fruit. Some knew, many didn't. Now let me show you what it is and why it deserves a place
Many
in your
walked
daily
past
life,
it.
unaware that this smelly fruit holds incredible. So stay tuned till the end about noni fruit. So guys, all about this fruit. This is called noni fruit, mangga kudu in Indonesia. I'll tell you everything about this fruit. Scientific name is Morinda citrifolia. Morinda citrifolia is its scientific name, and common name is noni in English. In English, it is called noni. In Indonesia, it is called mangukudu. Yes, I think I'm right. Then in India, it is also known as Indian mulberry, cheese fruit, vomit fruit. It is also called vomit fruit because its smell is very pungent and very, strong. These noni plants, noni fruit grow is Southeast Asia, Australia and Polynesia. Well, appearance wise, from inside it looked like this and outside you can see oval shape, little bumpy. Some are like round also. So it appearances like this with a greenish white to yellowish color. And when it is ripe, it is little, this whitish kind of a color. But when it is unripe, it is raw, it is green color. Okay? And smell and taste. Very strong pungent smell when it is ripe. So it is fully ripe, so the smell is very pungent and very strong. It smells like a fermented cheese and also a little bitter in taste. Now health benefits. Well, the health benefits of this fruit is amazing. Rich in nutrition, high in vitamin C, antioxidant, potassium and flavonoids. Boost immunity. Traditionally, it is used to strengthen the immune system. So it boosts your immunity system, guys. Do you know what is this?
No, I don't know what this is.
So this is called noni fruit.
Okay.
And it is very, very, health benefits are amazing. So you research and you let me know about it.
Okay.
So today
sure.
you know about it, okay?
Yeah.
So you will be featured in my video, okay?
Yeah, sure.
My beautiful Aishwarya. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
It is anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Used to reduce joint pains, arthritis and body aches. Digestive aids. This is also very good for a gut health. It take care of your gut and also relieve your constipation. And it also is good for your skin. How? It helps with skin condition. Means if you have acne or dry skin, it will be very helpful. Helps with wound healing and also good for hair growth. It is widely used traditionally in Indonesia. There's one medicine called Jamu, Jamu. So this is a herbal medicine which is made out of this. This is key ingredient in Indonesian herbal medicine and tonics for detox and vitality. Mango kuda juice. It is also used for juice, guys. So mango kuda juice. Either you can drink it raw or mix it with honey, and you can consume it as a juice. And also used for the external skin issues like used for skin problems, infections and inflammation. Now let's see how to consume this. Well, it can be eaten raw, fresh, but has a very strong pungent flavor. You can have it as a juice, extract and consume as a juice. It is also used as a supplement. You will find it in a form of powder, capsule or fermented juices. Cooking, sometimes added to traditional dishes in certain culture, like in Indonesia, they put it in a roja salad. And now let's talk about cultivation and growth. So tree characteristics are, it is medium sized tree with dark green and glossy leaves. Well, as per growth condition, it thrives in tropical climates, coastal areas and nutrient poor soils. And harvesting, it bears fruit all year round, make it a sustainable crop. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you want to know more about health related things, wellness related things and sustainable fashion. Guys, if you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Well, do comment me if you want to see more of such videos, and you might have seen this fruit before, or maybe it's completely new to you. But did you know it is a hidden powerhouse of health? Let's dive into some fun facts. Now some interesting facts about this fruit. Bear fruits whole year round, make it a sustainable crop. Despite its strong smell, it is highly valued in traditional medicines. And yes, it has humongous medicinal value. Now this fun fact is huge. Some believe that it is anti-cancerous and anti-aging. Wow! So all the more reason to consume this. So I hope you like the information about this fruit, this exotic fruit. This is not exotic fruit, I'll say, but this is something very unique fruit which most of the people I have asked were not aware of it. Only the very, old people or the people who are very grounded, they were aware of it. So kindly consume this kind of a stuff. This is a lively food. This is a true nutrition, true supplement you can have. Okay, instead of popping pills, you can always try this kind of a things in your daily diet. So friends, Singapore is a treasure trove of exotic fruits, flowers and herbs from around the world. Want to discover more hidden gems? Let me know. I will love to share them with you. Well guys, for me, I consider this a big superfood. Let me know in the comment whether you have tried this ever, and are you going to try it? So if you haven't tried this, try once and let me know in the comment how you find it. Introduce this kind of a fruits to your kids, to your family. So well guys, this is my first time, which is also known as vomit fruit, this noni fruit. So let me give you first hand experience how this look from inside and taste like. Show time. I'm trying this. Okay, so this has स्मेल तो इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा वियर्ड है. जितनी स्मेल आ रही है उतना बुरा नहीं है. So guys, I'm going to take this one big chunk in my mouth. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल है और इसका टेस्ट जो है ना बिल्कुल थोड़ा खट्टा खट्टा सा भी है बीच में, पर इसका जो फ्लेवर है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. आई थिंक जूस में ज़्यादा सही रहेगा. ब्लेंड होके अगर जूस में हो जाएगा ना तो इतना बुरा नहीं लगेगा. सो येस, इट लुक लाइक दिस. And let me cut the other one also. So actually when I have eaten, it is not that bad. But yes, when it is fully ripened, the smell is too much. And the seeds, too many seeds. Well, I assume now because of its smell, it is not found in markets, shops, stores. Because if they'll keep in the stores, people are going to run away. A बहुत strong smell है. But this is how it looks. And it tastes little, I'll not say bitter, but it has a very pungent, very strong flavor, and which is very unbearable actually. सहन जो मतलब नहीं आसपास सहन कर पाए तो वो नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन ये बहुत खट्टा खट्टा सा भी है. टेस्ट मुझे अच्छा, इतना बुरा भी नहीं लगा मुझे टेस्ट, बट स्मेल है इसका जो इशू है. आई थिंक मे बी इसके कारण ये शॉप्स में बिकता नहीं है या लोग खाते नहीं है. बट इसके न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू को देख के गाइस स्टार्ट. ओके, आप मे बी वीक में एक बार तो कम से कम इसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. सो ट्राई एंड सी. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. Stay happy, stay healthy and keep exploring until we meet again. And don't forget to share this video with someone. Thank you for watching till the end.